Hey, in this lesson I'm going to look at how to multiply fractions. This is easier than addition by a lot because you don't have to worry about the same denominator. So for example, if you had 1 plus 2 plus 1 over 3, you couldn't add these right away because you don't have the same denominator. But for multiplication, it does not matter at all. If you have 1 over 2 times 1 over 3, you would first multiply the numerators. So 1 times 1 is 1. And then for the denominators, 2 times 3 is 6. And that is your answer. Once again, you don't have to worry about anything at all. For multiplication, all you have to do is just multiply. Once again, 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 3 is 6. And that's literally your answer. You don't have to worry about anything once again. But yeah, let's move on to a few more difficult examples. Okay, so for the first question, we have two numerators of 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. That's the first numerator of the answer. And then for both denominators in the question, 2 times 2 is 4. So the denominator of the answer will be 4. And that's it. We are done. Once again, multiplication is super easy. All you have to worry about is knowing your multiplication facts. So practice the multiplication timetables or just make sure that you know them, because if you don't know those, you won't be able to do these. So yeah, multiplication is super easy. Question number 2, 2 times 3 is 6. And for the denominators, 4 times 3 is 12. That's it. We are done once again. Super easy. All you have to do once again is just multiply. Question number 3, 2 times 3 is 6. 5 times 4 is 20. So we are done once again. Super easy. Question number 4, 3 times 8 is 24. So let's write that down as the numerator of the answer, 24. And then for the denominators, 7 times 9 is 63. Once again, we are done. But as you can see, these get a tiny bit harder at a time. So once again, you just have to memorize those multiplication timetables. Question number 5, 1 times 7 is 7. 7 times 1 is also 7. If you notice, like we said in the addition video, if you have 7 divided by 7 as a fraction, this is the exact same as 7 divided by 7, because fractions are divisions. When you have a fraction, you are basically dividing. And we know that any number divided by itself is 1. If you have, let's say, 7 slices of pizza, and you have 7 people, and you want to split them up equally, each person is going to get 1 slice of pizza. It's pretty simple. Once again, 7 divided by 7 is 1. So we know that this is also equal to 1. So that is our answer. Question number 6, super simple. 8 times 3 is 24. And then 9 times 2 is 18. That's it. We are done. Question number 7, 19 times 2. This one's pretty difficult. I'm going to do it in my head first, and then I'm going to do it on the side. So 19 times 2 is 38. I know it from experience, but if you have trouble finding this, we can do it on the side. So 19 times 2. First we do 2 times 9, which is 8. And then carry the 1 over. And then 2 times 1 is 2. Plus 1 is 3. So that's our answer. But yeah. So once again, if you do this a lot, you're actually going to almost memorize it by itself. But if you always have trouble, you can always do it on the side. So that's how we got it. And then 6 times 3 is 18. So we are done. Question number 8. 1 times 13 is 13. Pretty simple. And then 11 times 11, you should know this. This is 121. We are done once again. Question number 9. 2 times 15 is 30. This one might be a bit difficult, but let's do it on the side again. So 2 times 15 is the exact same as 15 times 2. You should know this. But yeah, 15 times 2. First we do 2 times 5, which is equal to 10. So put the 0 down, 1 on top. And then 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So 30. Okay, so that's how I got that. And then the denominator is pretty simple again. All you have to do is 3 times 16. Once again, I know this because I've done it so much, but it should be 48. Let's do it on the side again. So 16 times 3. 6 times 3 first is 18. So 8 on the bottom, 1 on top. And then 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So 48. That's how I got that. And that's it. We are done this question. So for the last question, all you have to do here is once again multiply the numerators and the denominators. So 21 times 3 is 63. We can do it on the side. So 21 times 3. First we have 3 times 1, which is 3, and then 3 times 2, which is 6. So that's that. And then 22 times 6, let's also do that very quickly, but this would be 132. Let's do it on the side just to check our answer. But 22 times 6, 6 times 2 is 12, so 2 on the bottom, 1 on top. And then 6 times 2 is 12 once again, plus 1 is 13. So we have 13 here, and we are done. You just put this at the bottom and this on top, and that's it. So that's multiplication. It's super easy. All you have to do once again is just multiply numerators together and denominators together. It's that simple. So that's it for this video.